Now, this is another weird thing that can happen in these. All right, again, this stuff is not, this is three. The remainders are going to happen often in three, but not all the time. This happens really rarely, and it mostly happens when someone's trying to throw like an evil thing in there. So if you look at this, it goes 9x to the third minus x minus 3. It's missing an x squared. Thing with long division is it only works really well if you have all of the proper digits in there. So you can't skip things. So I can't be missing an x squared. So when I write this down, it's 9x squared minus, sorry, don't do that, 9x to the third, all right, minus 0x squared. All right, now that doesn't change the equation at all. All right, that doesn't change the equation, but what it does is it makes it so that my long division is going to work because in long division, if you skip terms, it just doesn't work. All right, it won't work out. So I put that in there, 3x plus 2. So if there's ever any missing term, the exponents need to count down, all right, numerically from left to right. If there's a missing term, you just put in a 0, all right? It could be plus 0, minus 0. Let's change it to plus 0. It doesn't matter, all right? It'll work either way, all right? So how do I get a 9x to the third? Well, I multiply by 3x squared. 3x squared times 3x is 9x to the third. 3x squared times 2 is plus 6x squared. So I'll subtract those. 9x to the third minus 9x to the third is gone. 0x squared plus, sorry, 0x squared minus 6x squared is negative 6x squared. Bring down the next term. How do I get a negative 6x squared from a 3x? Multiply it by minus 3. Nope, not minus 3. Minus 2x. You got to think about this. So then you get negative 6x squared, and you get negative 4x. Negative 6x squared minus 6x minus negative 6x squared cancels. Again, you're going to use a calculator for this all the time. Negative x minus negative 4x is going to give you positive 3x minus 3. How do I get a 3x from a 3x? You got to be careful with this. I'm going to add a 1. So 1 times 3x is 3x. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract that. 3x minus 3x is gone. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Again, that's a remainder. It means if this just wanted to know if that's a factor, the answer is no. All right, but what's my answer? My answer is 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 5 over 3x plus 2. Okay? The key to these is just keep practicing. Take your time. All right, all of this stuff in Algebra 2, factoring, solving, long division, all of this stuff in this unit just requires you to go slowly.